Hello and welcome to Hashtag Quiz Tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to display all of our different keypads that are available for you to host with and the players to play with. We've got 4 different sorts and also in a slight addition with some pictures in there too. Now the first one we're going to showcase is the numeric question. Now with a numeric question, what we do is when we send the question through and the answer keypad, it looks like a calculator for the player. All they need to do is type in the full number and then click OK to submit it through to you, the quiz master. You'll receive all their answers. Now the next type we've got is a multiple choice question, but we've also added an image. If you click on the image expands for if using a big screen, but the image will also go through to every player's device too. Now, once they tap that screen just once, the image goes away and the answer keypad, in this case a multiple choice, is underneath. The options are A, B, C or D. So in effect, you're just asking them to tap one of the options. In this one, it's a letters question. Now when we send the keypad through to all of the players, it comes through in a QWERTY keyboard fashion. They have to answer the first letter of the first main word or whichever word that you've set up within your game. It's your quiz, so you need to let people know that it's just the first letter required and not a spelling competition. So as soon as the answer comes through to you, the host, as their correct or incorrect answer. Once the question ends, the answers are released and then it changes on their screen. The answer will come up over one of the keypads or one of the levels of the QWERTY keypad, either the top, middle or bottom, and also show them the correct result too. And the final one we're going to do is a sequence style. Now it looks a little bit like the multiple choice, but you're going to ask people to this time put the answers in an order. So the order of the song, what would Rick Astley never do? Your players would type in their answers at the end of the countdown. It'll show them whether they were right or if they were wrong on each individual section. Obviously, they only get points if they get all 4 in the correct order. And it'll give you no numbers on the sides of the players' devices too. Now that's been our tutorial about the keypad showcase. Have fun with the hashtag quiz system. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you again. Happy quizzing!